What's next?
Spontaneous rate.
What did I say about spontaneous in AC mode?
Yeah, it's not.
It is not. Okay, so
Scratch the line?
exactly.
Yeah, I remember doing that part.
So X, cross it, shade it in.
Yeah, whatever make you happy.
Alright.
Spontaneous tidal volume.
Line.
Spontaneous minute volume.
Chalk it out.
Total rate. How we gonna get that?
Set rate.
Well, if your patient's triggering breaths.
But
We got the factor, right?
they're not, right?
Are they triggering breaths? The patient? Yes.
Tell me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Patient's triggering breaths.
In assist control mode, yeah.
So, how would you get your rate?
Count.
There you go. Okay.
Well, according to my sheet right here,
You count.
spontaneous rate plus
What?
it says right here spontaneous rate
I
plus
also
set rate.
said it could be assisted rate plus set rate.
You did say
Maybe if you were paying attention and not talking
I wasn't, I was right.
So we just count.
So total rate can change. Yes.
So we count how many times the assist light comes on. We
You
just
count how many times your patient's breathes a minute.
okay. So it's just regular rate.
And you would know how many extra breaths they triggered by subtracting your set rate from the total. So they trigger breaths, but it's not a true spontaneous breath. If their rate changes, that means their minute volume can change. So it may not necessarily be what you said. You will find that by multiplying the total rate by the delivered tidal volume, which is also corrected tidal volume. PIP is what you read during a normal breath. On the pressure manometer, we've already said a couple times that was 15. Plateau, did I skip any?
No.
Okay. Because mine's a little different from y'all's. Plateau, we're back to this exhalation tubing because we need to stop airflow to get the plateau. So you want to let it give them a breath, then occlude the tubing and see where it stops. Y'all want to come see. So giving the breath, falling back to 7. Breath, occlude the tubing. 13. Now that you have your PIP, your plateau, you can find dynamic compliance. I know I did. It's all tangled in this
Was
closet.
it me this time? I can't see you.
Delivered? Okay. So,
I'm suffering right now.
It's okay. We're gonna be alright. I'm gonna get baptized soon.
Does aluminum burst if there's no carbonation?
Huh?
Does aluminum burst if there's no carbonated drink in there? Like I have a juice in an aluminum can, but I left it in my car.
Oh, I don't know.
Hey James, I have a juice in an aluminum can in my car. It's just juice though. Is it gonna burst? Or is it just the carbonation that makes it burst?
it'll be alright.
You got it.
I had 2 12-packs of Pepsi Max in my car all yesterday.
Is it
They
red?
were fine.
Huh?
Is it red?
Is what red?
The juice.
No, I think it's purple.
It'll be alright.
What happened?
Don't worry
I
about
killed
it.
the man.
I got chicken in my
It takes you.
Don't eat that.
No, it'll be fine.
No, this is
How's that?
Is it
got
cooked?
.047.
It's gonna be.
It's cooked. It's not
It'll be
left out
cooked
for
by the time
Buffalo
you get to your
Wild
car.
Wings, so don't eat it, y'all.
No.
I did that.
0.28 divided by that number.
Where are we going for lunch? I'm hungry.
It wasn't that before
We said
Little Wings.
.28 from.
I'll take that.
The delivery.
I'm supposed to cook
Well, I got
steak.
.83.
Let me show you the chicken.
For what?
Delivered?
Was it good?
I was right.
Delicious.
More than that.
That's more than the
Bacon
set.
wrap and stuff with what?
How did I get that now? Let me figure it out.
Blame the machine.
So on our checkup, are you guys gonna give us a blank sheet like this, and then we're gonna
Yeah,
have
you'll
to
have
sit
a
there and
you'll have a
calculate?
charting sheet. Gonna check off.
So what is
You'll
this
have
point?
30 minutes for your checkoffs.
Yes.
So it'll basically be 30 minutes filling out the
The
sheet.
delivered, what is it?
It
No,
should not
that's-
take you that long.
The
to start.
circuit,
You just subtract the
vent,
Okay.
setup, patient, everything, charting. 30 minutes.
The delivered is same as corrected on the sheet. 0.28 divided by 15 minus 7.
And that's the same on most of these, 30 minutes.
You still got time before you get it done.
So you got the same thing. Hey, we're still getting .047 for static.
Yeah, I got 3.546.
We're not.
What's your plateau
13,
minus your peak
7, which is 6.
divided by your delivered tidal volume? I didn't write that down.
.28. Okay.
Hey,
I get two different numbers.
so that's two.
Yeah.
.4.
So what you got?
I got the 3.5 and I got 4.6.
4.6 for static.
Oh yeah, I just did 0.28.
Okay. And I went 2835.
Anybody got time?
No.
Anybody got time to figure out why you got the wrong answer?
It would get dynamic and static.
Yes.
Okay. And the
Back
rest
off, man.
are alarms. So your high pressure alarm was 10 above normal pressure. We said it already. It was 25, 10 above 15. The side pressure was 10 above the side pressure. The side pressure was 25, so it was 35.
What under error resistance?
Oh, calculator. Yeah. Go ahead.
Then I know, man. Back off. Cannot be right.
I got 3 points.
3.4.
Look it up.
Okay.
You'd have to set it to like 100.
Now you're going like decimal places.
Well, you got that 0 there. That
3.40.
I think this is
Yeah.
a chirpy.
That extra
So I think
point
this is
0.001 made a difference between intubation.
But
High pressure
Continuing
alarm.
intubation.
Now we're on high
Hey, I
pressure.
didn't say intubating. I said intubation.
high pressure alarm, we just went over that one. You got it?
25.
Yep.
10 above.
Side pressure alarm, 35. What else is next?
Low
What's next?
volume alarm, is that 10 below?
100 below. So,
That's the dipstick.
Hold up.
Yes.
What did I? Okay.
so we
is
said
it
400,
Low volume.
That's the
400.
low volume,
but charting liters.
which is point. 400.
And is that in milliliters?
400.
That's in
This is milliliters, but
Okay, so
remember we're
it's
charting in
400.
liters.
It
Would we even do it on this
500.
too? I guess not, no. Warning
And
time.
make sure your warning time second, that's the same as your alarm delay.
Which we agree was 5, right? Because it won't
Yes.
go for low 5.
It was 3.4, 3.75 was the number, so you need to go 1 to 2 above that. So it could be anywhere from 4.75 to 5.
Lunch, yeah.
And
Alarm
that's
check, you just
because
did it,
it's
so
like-
put yes or check
10.
mark or
Check.
Oh, yes, it's the easy
you
one.
make sure you remember that's this part too, so you check those as well.
And then the side
You don't have to
pressure
check them
alarm
again if you
is-
checked them in the beginning, and you should have. Check your ETT placement on your patient. You've been pulling and yanking and pushing and all that, so it may be out. So check. If the teeth or
Looks
gums,
good to you. Where is it supposed to be at?
19 and 21 for female, 21 and 23 for male. Can I get that check out? This smells so.
I feel like right now it looks good.
Well, where is it supposed to be at? You can't just put
Hey.
looks good on there.
Check the
You're
leg.
not just gonna be like, what looks good?
You gotta put where it's at.
I see the finish line. I'm just checking.
cup
Check.
press, no, don't check. You need to put
Well,
what
you're not
is
gonna
it?
pass the finish line if you don't.
Put them at 21.
Okay, so
Alright, where we at? 21?
Cup pressure.
21
that.
where?
Y'all skip
The
some.
teeth.
oh no, well there just wasn't a place
Better.
for the like
So we need to
side
put like
pressure.
21
It
at the
wasn't-
lip or 21 at
For
the
side alarm.
AL.
No, for side alarm,
Yeah,
but
for
the
teeth,
side
put
pressure.
I like teeth.
It wasn't a place on the floor.
Yeah. So
Cup pressure.
21 at
Manometer for this.
I'll probably add it.
okay.
That's 20,
Yeah, 'cause
25,
and then it was
93,
like
or
it's
25.
just side pressure alarm 35. So you have to read that and then
Oh
that's,
no,
or
it's, you
what am
don't. You don't chart the side pressure.
25?
You don't have to
I?
chart
Okay,
the side.
but I mean like going by the alarm. Okay.
Still need it to
You
merge.
need the alarm, but you don't have to chart the actual pressure. You chart the volume.
Well,
You said
it'd be
milliliters?
easier if there
Yeah.
was a place. 'Cause
Just know that.
then, but yeah.
I'm
And I
using
think our
centimeters
manometer
of
does
water.
centimeters of water.
So we know what cup
Centimeters.
pressure is supposed to be.
35.
Chart a normal on cup pressure.
I hope so.
8 different. Yeah.
Airway temperature. What's our airway temperature? H and me.
Is that what we put?
Yes.
Oh, we had to like measure.
If we had a heated wire circuit, then it would be connected to a heater, which would tell you what the exact temperature was. But this is not a heated wire circuit, so it needs to know that you have an H and D on there. And initial. Breath sounds. We check those. Check them again.
We
Yeah.
just put good.
Clear,
Respiratory
weepy,
breath sounds.
Absent.
I hear.
Absent would be bad.
Especially for stress
And on the ventilator. And you
Stomach
set it up.
Absent.
You know, like stab the paper.
They're gonna be like, you left? No more lights, is that?
And initial.
I didn't get my thing.
Well, but there's no one for stomach sounds. Let me check that one.
You always take my little breath out.
Questions?
The warning time.
What is
Warning time is the same as your delay, alarm delay, seconds.
It's like your
5.
apnea alarm.
Exactly. It's like the app.
this is our homework?
No, y'all have 3 other sheets.
Yeah, it's
It says
Exercise 1, 2, 3.
exercise 1, 2, and 3. That's what y'all need to do. And you're gonna need the vent, so you'll have to come in here and do it. And no, you won't be doing it next week during class.
When it's open lab, can we get assistance with it? When is
That's
it
up
due?
to her. She's the lab teacher.
So what'd you say was
2 weeks from today.
low volume alarm?
That's this. 100 below.
So,
Push this up and down.
okay, reached up to 400, so it'd be
It reached up to 500, so you
so it'd be
said
400.
400.
That's for y'all calculations.
So it's
To help y'all practice. But y'all probably want to do it.
This weekend.
I got like a
Sunday. I'll be up here. Chill.
short novel right here. Paper novel.
All right.
Okay, so y'all have till 12 o'clock. You've got 2 vents.
2 working vents.
Mm-hmm.
And 2 exercises.